हेलो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आई होप यू ऑल आर वेरी गुड। दिस इज़ योर टीचर सौम्या शर्मा एंड वी आर स्टार्टिंग योर इंग्लिश ग्रामर बुक ग्रामर पाथवेज by Riddhi series and published by Children's Voice, and this book is for class 4th. Today we will start chapter number 20 from your English grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Forms of Verbs. So students, in this chapter we all are going to learn about the forms of verbs, यानी कि verbs की कौन कौन सी forms होती हैं और वर्ब की फॉर्म्स हमें क्या बताती हैं कि कोई भी एक्शन पास्ट में हुआ था, प्रेजेंट में हो रहा है या फिर वो फ्यूचर में होगा। लेट्स लर्न। डिफरेंट वर्ब फॉर्म्स आर कॉल्ड टेंसेस। ऑलराइट, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द ग्रामर ऑफ वर्ब्स वी ऑफन यूज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स। बेस फॉर्म और इन्फिनेटिव, उन्हें क्या बोलेंगे? ड्रिंक, यानी कि जहाँ पे ड्रिंक वर्ब यूज़ है वो कौन सी फॉर्म है? बेस फॉर्म है। जहाँ पर ड्रिंकिंग वर्ब यूज़ की गई है तो वो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल है। अगर कहीं पर ड्रैंक वर्ब यूज़ की गई है दैन इट बिलोंग्स टू द पास्ट टेंस। अगर ड्रंक फॉर्म यूज़ की गई है दैन इट विल बिलोंग टू द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। Now see all these different verb forms in sentences. अब different sentences में we all are going to see the different kinds of verbs. She drinks water. वह पानी पीती है. It belongs to the present simple tense. She is drinking water. वह पानी पी रही है. It is belonging to the present continuous tense. She drank water. उसने पानी पिया. It belongs to past simple tense. Now she has drunk water. वह पानी पी चुकी है. It is belonging to the present perfect tense. Alright. Now regular verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding ed to them. जब भी कोई वर्ब पास्ट पार्टिसिपल से बिलोंग करती है या फिर पास्ट टेंस से बिलोंग करती है तब हम उनको कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं पास्ट में? वर्ब्स के एंड में ed ऐड करके। नाउ सी फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स। बेस फॉर्म इज एग्री। सो हमारे पास प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल में क्या फॉर्म होगी? एग्रीइंग। नाउ अगर हमारे पास पास्ट टेंस है तब क्या फॉर्म होगी? एग्रीड। For the past tense, you all have added ed in the end of the word. Next, past participle में क्या form होगी? It will be the same, agreed. Now we are having base form or infinitive is behave. But what will be the form in the present participle tense? It will be behaving. अगर हमारे पास past tense है, then the form will be behaved. Now past participle will be same as the past tense. Again we have base form change, but in the present participle it will be changing. In the past tense it will be changed, and in the past participle it will be same as the past tense. Next we have dance. Present participle will be dancing. It means that action is continuously happening in the present. In the past tense it will be danced and past participle will be same. Divide, dividing, divided, divided. I hope students you all have understood how to form their past tense and past participle by adding ed in the end. Moving to the next one. Irregular verbs form their past tense and past participle in a different way from adding ed. अब कुछ ऐसी irregular verbs होती हैं जिनके end में आप ed को add करके कोई भी past participle form नहीं कर सकते हैं. Then how you all will do that? First form is build. Present participle will be building, but past tense will be built. And the past participle will be same as past tense. Alright. Now buy will be buying, but in the past tense it will be bought. In the past participle it will be same. Now irregular verbs can be divided into the three types. अब हमारे पास जितनी भी irregular verbs होती हैं आप उन्हें 3 types में divide कर सकते हैं. For example, base form is cut, but in the past the form will be same and in the past participle it will be same. यानी कि बेस फॉर्म भी सेम रहेगी, पास्ट टेंस में भी आपकी जो वर्ब फॉर्म है वो सेम रहेगी और इन द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल द वर्ब विल बी सेम. हर्ट विल बी हर्ट एंड हर्ट इन ऑल द 3 टेंसेस. Put will be same in all the tenses and read will be same. Shut and split, all these verbs will be same in all the 3 tenses. Moving ahead, 2 of the forms are the same. अब tenses में कुछ ऐसे words हैं, ऐसी verbs हैं जिनके केवल 2 form change होंगी. For example, beat, beat and beaten. Base form and past tense form will be same. But the third tense in the past participle the verb will be different. We have become, became and again become. It means 2 form आपकी सेम है but एक टेंस में जो वर्ब की फॉर्म है वो अलग होगी. Built will be built than built. Alright, यहाँ पर base form is different but in the past tense and in the past participle the verb forms will be same. It means built, built, and in the past participle it will remain built. Again we have burn. In the past tense it will be burned or burnt and in the past participle it will be same as the past tense. Next we have learn will become learned or learnt but in the past participle the verb forms will be same. We have more words and verbs. Those 2 forms will be same and 1 form will be different. You all have to learn these verbs from your books. Now we have all 3 forms are different. यानी कि अब कुछ ऐसी verbs हैं जिनकी तीनों ही forms different है तीनों ही sentences में. Now we will see those verbs. Let's start. Base form is be, but in the past tense it will be was or were. In the past participle it will be been. यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट में आपकी फॉर्म अलग है, पास्ट टेंस में फॉर्म अलग है और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में भी आपकी जो गिवन फॉर्म है वो अलग है. यानी कि तीनों ही फॉर्म आप यहाँ पर देख पा रहे हैं एक दूसरे से अलग हैं. बिगिन विल बी बिगिन एंड बिगन. बाइट, बिट एंड बिटन. ब्रेक, ब्रोक एंड ब्रोकन. ईट, एट एंड ईटन. Go, went, gone. Fly, flew and flown. We have sing, sang, sung. Then we have the verb throw. It will become threw in the past tense and it will become thrown in the past participle tense. We have swim, but what will be the past tense? It will be swam. In the past participle it will be swum. Again, sink, sank, sunk. Show, showed and shown. Take, took and taken in the past participle. The last we have write. It will be wrote in the past tense and it will be written in the past participle. I hope students you all are getting the different kinds of forms in the different tenses. Moving ahead, some verbs have special participle forms that can be used as adjectives. चलिए देखते हैं वो कौन सी स्पेशल पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स हैं जिन्हें हम एज एडजेक्टिव्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. I hope you all have remember about adjectives. In the previous classes we have learned about the adjectives, kinds of adjective, comparison of adjective. So base form is drink. In the past tense it will be drunk and past participle will be drunken. Alright, we have melt, melted, molten, prove, proved and proven. So these we all can use as adjectives. Alright. Now we will move to the exercise part of this chapter. Write the present participle, past tense and past participle forms of the following verbs. यहाँ पर बच्चों आपको कुछ वर्ब्स गिवन हैं, आपको क्या करना है, उन सभी की प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट टेंस एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म्स लिखनी है. लेट्स डू टुगेदर. फर्स्ट वर्ब इज अवेक. In the present participle it will be awaking. So what you all have to write? You all will write awaking. In the past tense it will be awoke. Alright. In the past participle it will be awaken. Alright. So आप सभी क्या लिखेंगे? Awaken. Next verb we have be. In the past participle it will be being. In the past tense it will was, were. In the past participle it will become been. Again we have the verb choose. It will be choosing in the present participle. In the past tense it will be choose. And in the past participle it will become chosen. Alright, we have do. In the present participle it will be doing. In the past tense it will become did. In the past participle what it will be, you all have to tell me. Again we have eat. In the present participle it will be eating. In the past tense it will be ate. In the past participle it will become eaten. Alright, we have fall. In the present participle it will be falling, fell and fallen. In the past participle we have go. It will be going. In the past it will become went. In the past participle it will become gone. Alright, we have. So in the present participle it will be having. It will be has or have. In the past participle it will become had. Now the remaining verbs you all have to do by your own. I will be moving to the next question of this exercise part. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. ब्रैकेट में आप सभी को कुछ वर्ब्स गिवन हैं, आपको करेक्ट वर्ब्स यहाँ पर फिल करनी है. इट इज़ डैश हैविली. इट इज़ रेनिंग हैविली, यानी कि बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. ऑलराइट. नाउ आई शैल डैश यू टुमारो. आई शैल मीट यू टुमारो. So here the correct form will be meet. The sun always rises in the east. सूरज हमेशा कहाँ से निकलता है? ईस्ट से उगता है. So correct form of the verb will be rises. I have dashed this before. I have seen this before. मैं यह पहले देख चुका हूँ. She never dash a lie. And the verb is tell. Alright, she never tells a lie. यानी कि वह कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलती है. Who has dashed this chair? And the verb is break. Who has broken this chair? Because this is a past participle tense. Alright. Now the police dash the thief. Verb is catch. The police catched the thief. Alright. Now the remaining two sentences, my dear kids, you all have to fill by your own in your books. Moving to the third question. Look at the given picture. Fill in the blanks using the correct forms based on the picture. यानी कि आपको इस पिक्चर को देखना है और इसके बेसिस पर आपको करेक्ट फॉर्म फिल करनी है. The girl dash her lesson. You have to form a future टेंस, ऑलराइट। यानी कि अगर फ्यूचर टेंस है तब आपको जो वर्ब है वो भी फ्यूचर टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग यूज़ करनी होगी। द गर्ल विल लर्न हर लेसन, ऑलराइट। द गर्ल will learn her lesson. The second sentence will be the girl is reading her lesson. यहाँ पर जो गर्ल है वो बच्चों क्या कर रही है, वो अपना लेसन पढ़ रही है। The girl read her lesson. यहाँ पर जो लड़की है वह अपना लेसन पढ़ती है, यानी कि उसने अपना लेसन पढ़ा। Because we all have to make this as a past tense, और past tense में हम कौन सी फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं, सेकेंड फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं वर्ब की, ऑलराइट। नाउ द बॉयज़ विल रन द रेस, द बॉयज़ आर रनिंग द रेस and this sentence is in the present tense. Now last sentence we have given the past tense, so the boys ran the race. I hope students you all have understood how to complete this question. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today's class. I hope students you all have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me. I will see you all in the next class.